So hello guys and welcome back to our channel Simple Random Knowledge. So today we are going to see about how to use the offset entities and mirror entities. So starting with the offset entities, first we need to make some kind of sketch for using that option, because you can see this option is disabled right now. So for making a sketch we select the plane first, normal that plane by selecting the normal to option. So I draw a triangle over here. This forms a triangle. Now you can see the offset entities option is available right now. So click on offset entities and you can see the preview is generated over here. So you can click here and give the offset that you have required right now according to your purpose. So that's all, and you can click OK. So you can see the entities has formed. No need to draw entities again. The offset is generated right now. So now we are going to learn about how to mirror the entities. So you can see the option of mirror entities available right now. We have made the sketch already. To use this mirror entities option, we require a line over here and then click on mirror entities. Then entities to mirror. We select these entities that are supposed to be mirrored. Then mirror about. You can select this line and you can see the preview is generated over here. And just click OK and your mirror is generated. So this was about mirror entities. So now we have got the overview of sketch options. So now we are going to see how to draw the 3D sketch. So for that you just click the arrow which is given below the sketch option. After clicking the arrow there will be option of 3D sketch. Click on 3D sketch. So it will be similar to the sketch option. So first select the plane. I will select the top plane. Then normal tool. We are going to draw a cube of 40 by 40 mm. Then click on smart dimensions. Click on 40. Now since it is a cube, so it will have all the side equal in length. So for making all the side equal, so click on first line, then press Ctrl, then select all other lines, and here we have option of equal. So select on equal. So we got all the line equal in length. So the base of cube is formed. So now we have to draw the pillars. So just horizontal the sketch, then draw a single line over it. So you can see the XY which is written on the pointer. You can verify it from here that we are drawing in the same plane or not. If you want to change the plane, so just click on the tab buttons. So the plane will be changed, like for example here the ZX plane, then XY plane, then YZ plane. So now we have to draw the lines in XY plane. So select the XY plane. Now draw a line. So now we have to copy this line. So for copying this line, just click on that line and press Ctrl. Place the line where you want to place it. So similarly I will copy other two lines also. Now just merge the edges of all the lines, corner of the square. Here is the option of merge. Just click on the point and press Ctrl and click the edge of that square. Here the option of merge will be available. So similarly with this, click on the end of that line and click on the edge of the square and merge. Make sure you are pressing the Ctrl key in this process. So now you have to make all this line in 40 mm. So as we know all the base lines are in 40 mm, just select any of the line and then press Ctrl key and select all the above lines. Select on equal. So all the lines became 40 mm in length. So last step, you just join all these lines. So we have generated our cube. Now we talk about the shortcut keys. What are their use? So first is zoom to fit. Now if your drawing is very much far away, just click on zoom to fit option, so that drawing will be fit to the screen. Then second option is to zoom to the area. For that, if you want to zoom a particular area, select zoom to area and select that area like this point, so that area will be zoomed. Then here is the option of view orientation, where you can get the orientation of your object like top view, front view, side views, isometric view. Here is one more option where you can select the isometric view also. Just click here and click on isometric view. In this option also there is option of normal to. If you are not able to get the option of normal to in the shortcut keys of front plane, top plane, so you simply click on this view orientation and you can get the normal to option here also. So we have done with this videos. If you have not watched the previous videos, you can see the link in I button. Please do watch that videos and then watch this video. And if you like the videos, please hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon near it. Thank you.